In today's world, advances in technology have enabled us to alter the very makeup of our bodies. The process of altering genes is known as genetic engineering or gene therapy. With genetic engineering and gene therapy, scientists can now cure diseases and alter our physical traits, but this technology does not come without potential risks. Genetic engineering is a technology that gives scientists and doctors the ability to modify an organism's genetic makeup. This process involves the insertion of genes from one species into another, creating a new organism with a combination of traits from both species. It is a powerful technology that can be used to treat and cure diseases, as well as to create genetically enhanced organisms. One of the greatest benefits of genetic engineering and gene therapy is its ability to treat and cure diseases. Scientists can use this technology to correct genetic mutations that cause certain diseases, allowing doctors to treat diseases that were once thought to be incurable. It can also be used to create genetically modified foods that are more nutritious and resilient to disease and climate change. Despite the potential benefits, there are potential risks with genetic engineering and gene therapy. This technology can be used to enhance the physical traits of humans and animals, which could potentially lead to unhealthy consequences, such as creating designer babies or animals with dangerous traits. Additionally, there is always the risk of unintended side effects or even permanent damage to the organism being modified. Genetic engineering and gene therapy are powerful technologies that can be used to cure diseases and create genetically enhanced organisms, but there are also potential risks associated with these technologies. It is important to research and understand the potential drawbacks of genetic engineering and gene therapy before using them.